And also I saw a lady who called Natukunda Penina.
Ndaba omukyala gwe bayita Natukunda Penina.
Perila Penina, like that. Mukama kunda baga wasowoka yekyenda.
There is this your inside, the intestine inside is.
Where is she? Umuyambe kabawereza.
Let the ministers help you.
Omuntu yenna ng'oyagala okundaba ng'oli bw'omu.
Any person who want to meet me one-on-one,
Keera ku makya weewandiise.
come early in the morning, Saturday, and register
Ojja ondabe ng'oli bw'omu.
so that you can see me one-on-one.
Ku Sande buli muntu ndeetera essuuka
On Sunday, each and every person bring
nga
me
njeru
the
peya ey'essuuka nga njeru
the white pair of a
n'ensigo ye ya mitwalo 5.
with your seed of 50,000.
Where is she?
Alindawo omukyala.
Temusobola musitula kiki? Ali bubi. Ani ali naye?
Who is with this lady?
What
Kiki ekyamubaako?
What happened to her?
Kyamutuukako yasooka kulwala kansa wana baana. Oluvannyuma nemuleeta mu ddwaliro.
She first got in a disease, then he took her to the hospital.
Bwe baamala omulongoosa naye n'alaba ng'obulwadde tebukendeera.
After she was operated and she saw that the sickness is not having any change.
Mumazeeko ebbanga ddene.
It has been a long time.
Naye nze nemwalira ne mugamba nti nno waayi nze nina gye bansabire wa Pastor Yuga.
But I told her that there is somewhere they prayed for me at Pastor Yuga's church.
Nange ndowooza musobola okuba nga muntegeera mwansabirako wano nga ndi mulwadde w'amagulu.
You can maybe know because you prayed for me when I was sick with legs.
Naye ne nva wano ndowooza nga mponye.
I left this place when I'm healed.
Naye nakati sirina buzibu.
Up to date, I don't have any problem.
Mugamba nti nno nange olwaleero sigenda kuleka wano.
And I told her, let me take you because I'm not going to leave you in the hospital.
Leka nkutwale bakusabire.
Let me take you so that you can be prayed for.
At first he was sick.
Mukusooka yali
At
mulwadde.
first he was sick.
Nze nali omusooka omulwadde. Naye n'akwatibwa naye ng'ayingiri gye yali ku kyalo. Ne mugamba nange leka nzije nkutwaleyo gye bansabira.
At first, this gentleman is the one who was sick, and then he was prayed for. He became
What
better.
was your problem?
Ekizibu kyo kyali ki?
Ekizibu kyange gaali magulu.
Legs.
Now are you okay?
Kati oli bulungi.
Kati ndi bulungi.
Let us see.
Katulabe.
Okujjako wamuwe wasigadde naye ng'obuzibu.
You put up your trousers.
Sika empale yo waggulu.
We need to see.
Kati nali sitambula naye ng'obujjanjabi era baamala okunsabira ne mpona kati nte bulungi n'otambula.
He got healed after being prayed for, but now he can walk.
Who is prayed for you?
Ani akusabira?
Yansabira ye gwe kennyini pastor.
It's you yourself.
I can't remember this.
Sikujjukira.
Maybe Jjengo.
Okunzijja wali nali sitambulako wadde. Naye
Maybe
nenzirayo
Andrew.
ntambula bulungi.
Osanga oba Andrew
I'm the
yakusabira.
one who prayed for this man.
Najja wano nga waliwo n'omuwala omulala yali akolwadde kansa wa Nabaaniira. Twali babiri.
There is another lady also who was brought here.
Musumba Jjengo yamusabira.
It was Pastor Jjengo who
But
prayed for
since
him.
then you never come back. Why?
Okuva ku olwo tokomangawo lwaki?
Mbadde embalala naye nga sirina transport okutuusa we n'amugambye nti leka tugende ugundi mu kyaki bakusabire n'angamba nja kuwaayo ka transport naye nange ntwala.
The gentleman was in Mbarara from the time they prayed for him, but now since this one gotten sick, so he told the lady, let me take you to the church where they prayed me from, but I don't have transport, and then they had to contribute the transport to here.
Can you speak?
Nyabo osobola kwogera?
Hey, Pastor.
Hmm?
Sobola.
What is the problem?
Ekizibu kyo kye ki?
Nalwala munda ne bantwala e Mulago.
They took her to Mulago
Hospital.
Hospital.
Dokita era yakanongoosa emirundi 3 mu mwezi gumu.
The doctor had operated her thrice in a month.
N'anfulumya kyenda era kati mpamira ku lubuto.
And then that intestine was brought out, so she's feeding through the stomach or the belly.
N'ansiibula n'enzirayo waka.
She was dismissed back home.
Natuuka waka
When the lady reached home,
okutuula okuyimirira n'okutambula ne bigaana.
and she could not sit or walk or do anything,
Ne banzaayo e Mulago.
they had to take her back to Mulago Hospital.
Ne baŋŋamba kati bantwale buli sikaani yonna weeri.
They said to take her to any other scan where it is.
Ne ŋŋenda ensambya mu CT sikaani.
They took her to Nsambia scan.
Obulwadde ne baŋŋamba obuŋŋaana okutambula tebabulaba.
They say that they could not see the disease that is making her not to walk.
Ne bansindika Kampala International Hospital.
They referred her to Kampala International Hospital.
Nabo ne baŋŋamba obulwadde tebabulaba.
Also saying they could not detect the disease.
Ne bantwala e Nakasero Hospital.
She was taken to Nakasero Hospital.
Nabo ne bagamba ekiŋŋaana okutambula tebakiraba.
They could not detect what is hindering her from walking.
Era ne bantwala Victoria Hospital e Ntinda.
They took her to Ntinda Hospital.
Ne baŋŋamba obulwadde temmuli obuŋŋaana okutambula.
They also said the same report, they could not detect the disease.
Ne bantwala e Lubaga.
They had to take her to Lubaga Hospital.
Nabo ne bagamba ekiŋŋaana okutambula teri.
They also said the same information, they could not see the disease.
Kati dokita n'agamba
So the doctor said,
balina okuntwala Case Clinic kuba ly'eddwaliro erisembayo sikaani eyo ya $3,000,000.
they have to take her to Case Clinic because that is the last hospital or the last opinion.
Kuba nti y'ekyasinze sikaani mu Kampala yonna.
Because it's the hospital with the biggest scan in the whole Kampala.
Kati bwe bantwala dokita n'abagamba bulwadde tebabulabye.
They also said the same information that they could not detect the disease that is hindering her from walking.
Kati dokita kwe kuŋŋamba nti tasobola kunongoosa okuzzaayo ekyenda nga sitambule bamba nvunda.
So the
N'aŋŋamba ŋŋende bwe nditambula kumeo addemu anongoosa ekyezzeeyo munda naye okutambula tasobola kunongoosa nga sitambula kuba bw'oba bakulongoosa nga totambula era ovunda.
The doctor said that he could not operate her unless she's walking because of that intestine. So if she's able to walk, so that they can operate her again.
Kati naye
Okay, what is your name?
Amanya go gwani.
Natukunda Penny Namviridde Mbarara.
She's called Natukunda Benina from Barara.
Where is the
Medical form ziriwa.
no, do you have a medical form?
Olina amabaluwa gonna g'eddwaliro.
Weziri naye nayiba bwe yawulidde nti leero waliwo Evanite ndowooza teyafuddeyo kuzeza yangambye jangu omusajja wa Katonda era
Okay, where is that where
Ekyo
they
kiwundu.
operated you?
Bwe bakulongoosa tulage ku kiwundu ekyo.
Small. Chimala.
It's enough. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can watch, you can see what happened to the lady. The lady was brought here. She brought here. She cannot sit. She cannot walk. She has a lot of pain, and they're requesting, asking Pastor to pray for her. For a long time, she cannot do anything by herself.
Today, Jesus is on your side.
Yesu ali ku ludda lwo.
And he knew you
Era yakumanya
before you born.
nga tonaba kuzaalibwa.
Remember,
Jjukira
a big war
olutalo olunene
between on you
olwali wakati wo
with your stepmom.
ne maama wo omuto.
Kituufu pastor. Balinawo poloti kati abazungu ne bagyegomba ne bagamba tugibaguze ne tugaana kati.
Come again. Is it true?
Kituufu.
Come again. Come again. And,
Kituufu musajja wa Katonda twalinawo poloti ku kkubo abazungu ne bagyegomba ne batugamba tugibaguze.
The lady is saying that it's true what the man of God is saying, because they had a piece of land and the whites wanted to buy that land. They said to be sold the land.
Nga yagala bwe tunaagiguza yaba asayininga sente azigula wala agiteeke mu manya g'abaana be.
So the stepmother wanted that if that land is sold, so that she can get the money to buy another land for her own children.
now there's somebody who is behind who want to kill you.
Waliwo omuntu ali emabega wa bino ayagala
Is
okutta.
that woman,
Y'omukyalo oyo,
your stepmom?
maama w'omuto,
But you are free
naye oli wa ddembe
from today.
okuva leero.
I send power into your life.
Nsindika amaanyi mu bulamu bwo,
I
omubiri gwo.
command you
Nkulagira
to stand up
okuyimirira
and walk.
otambule.
Tonight,
Kiro kino
tonight,
leero
be healed,
wonyezebwa,
be healed,
wonyezebwa,
be healed,
wonyezebwa,
be healed,
wonyezebwa,
be healed.
wonyezebwa.
Rise up,
Golokoka,
rise up,
golokoka,
rise up,
golokoka,
rise up.
golokoka.
Be free,
Beera wa ddembe,
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 be free.
beera wa ddembe.
I command your legs
Ndagira amagulu go
to receive power,
okufuna
to
amaanyi,
have power,
okufuna
to
amaanyi,
have power,
kutoola
to
amaanyi,
have energy.
kufuna amaanyi.
I command,
Ndagira
stand up,
golokoka,
stand up,
golokoka,
and walk.
golokoka,
Stand up and walk.
golokoka, otambule,
Stand up,
yimirira,
stand up,
golokoka,
stand up.
yimirira.
Right now,
Kati,
right now,
Kati, kati,
right now,
kati,
right now,
kati,
right now,
kati,
right now.
kati,
Stand up.
yimirira, yimirira. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, the lady who cannot walk, the lady who cannot stand. Yeah, miracles happening here in Kawara. You can see what is happening on the ground.
Urira Yesu angalosama.
Ladies and gentlemen, after all long time, this lady traveled. They took her to several hospitals, and even the last hospital that said the same information, that they could not detect the disease that is hindering her from walking. For the long time, she could not walk, she could not sit, she could not do anything. Now, they brought her here, pastor, to pray for her. As we speak right now, the lady can dance, the lady can jump, the lady is now happy, the sickness is healed.
You must be careful
olina okwegendereza
to that woman.
eri omukyalo oyo
She want to kill you,
ayagala kukutta
but you will never die before her.
naye togenda kufa nga ye tanaba kufa.
Let her to die.
leka asooka afe
Instead you to die,
mu kifo gwe okufa.
let her to die.
leka ye yabaafa
Be healed
wonyezebwa
within 12 days.
mu nnaku 12
You will come back here.
ojja kukomawo wano.
This wound, it will be healed.
ekyo ekiwundu kijja kuba kimaze okukala
And your stomach will be fine.
era olubuto lwo lujja kuba nga luli lwa ddembe.
How do you call Uchenda?
The intestine.
Yeah?
Intestine
Is going to go back inside
ekyo ekyenda kigenda kuddayo munda
without doctor.
nga n'omusawo tanaba
I
nakikwata.
command it to go inside,
nkiragira kiddeyo munda,
to turn back inside.
kiddeyo munda.
You are free.
oli wa ddembe.
Clap for Jesus Christ.
kubira Yesu engalo ez'amaanyi.